And if you press this button, it releases a deadly gas. So, the Kabuto. Ultra silent wheels, fast and secure fingerprint lock, removable battery to charge your phone, tablet, and laptop, light, and durable. And cherry on the top, a removable back pocket. What? Yes. For blazing fast airport security check and carry around your valuables. Great for your business, don't you think?
Make it mine.
All right. You took it. Don't even open your luggage to charge your phone, tablet, and laptop. In any situations, or places, wherever you are.
Yeah, wherever you are.
The back pocket can fit a 13 inches laptop, a tablet, your passport and boarding passes. Leave your carry-on somewhere and grab your valuables. Oh, and you have a magnetic charging connection. Look. Charging? Not charging. Charging? Still charging? Okay, you got it. Your devices go back to charge instantly. For blazing fast airport security, just unclip your electronic devices. So easy. Don't leave your fingerprint anywhere but on the Kabuto. No worry about airport security, you have a backup key. 100% TAC approved. This is the last suitcase you'll ever own. Lifetime warranty. It's almost unbreakable. Go spectacular. We'll fix it. For free. We have developed the wheels, like real car wheels, with metal bearings.
Not plastic bearings.
Rims and tires. Yes, tires. You won't even feel the weight of your luggage. And that silence. Bucolic. Fly on a trip with the carry-on size. Go shopping and come back with the same luggage. No stress, right? Pack your shoes away from your favorite shirt. Or open the top lid completely. You know what to do.